Here's the playset all opened up. I kept everything together as far as what box they came in. That's all box number 1. These doors and that pile right there is box number 2. That's all box number 3 right there. Plastic is number 4, and the slide came as number 5. There's a lot of pieces. Here it is. She's finally done. The Twin Mountain Lodge. This is on the instructions here. 10 to 12 hours for 2-person assembly. I think I easily got pushing 40 hours on this thing, no question. Easy. The directions were crazy. So one thing that I did here was put a horse stall mat down so that I don't have any wood touching any ground. There's no earth to wood contact. You got over here, it's got brick. Same thing over here. This was quite the project. I'm glad it's done. Just need to get the kids out here now.